All right, here we go. All right, so this is going to be a quick walkthrough on how to take down the Capra Demon. You might get hit by the wolf and the Capra Demon and the other wolf right when you start out the fight. Don't even worry about that. You want to get up these pizza stairs as quick as you possibly can, and then roll off them. And then that's going to confuse the Capra Demon. It's all about demon confusion is the trick to this fight. Justin, you got any pro strategies you want to share?
Yeah, if he leaves you an opening, you definitely want to take advantage of it. Watch his animations for any time it looks like he wants to be stabbed, or you could stab him and he'd love it.
It's really important to have 9,999,999 souls before going into this fight. The Capra Demon's going to see that number, and he's going to be like just kind of confused by it the whole time. Now, the trick is, in your first hit, take away over half of his health bar. You may be wondering how to do that. You might say, Griffin, my DPS isn't high enough for the Capra Demon fight. And I say, like, I understand that. It's time to go back to the old Iron Church.
Nobody wants to grind, but it's important to take at least half his health with every sword swing. And do not take damage. If you take damage, make sure it instantly refills.
Now, you want to try and get the camera inside of your character. And this is going to be really important because if you can't see the Capra Demon, he can't see you.
Now, your pizza slices may not be representative of humanity. Your humanity may not look like pizza slices. In that case, you're going to want to make sure you have the latest patches downloaded. Those are updated really regularly.
And they really change the balance of the game, Justin. That's right. And a lot of tips we're giving you just aren't going to be functional in versions 1.7 through 1.9.
Yeah, if you have any differences other than what we're showing you, you have a patch that hasn't downloaded, and you definitely want to get in touch with Namco Bandai and let them know that you have a technical snafu on your hands.
Now, what you want to do is get your gold pine resin ready. You want to have 35 of them, and face this wall, and then just shake your head. No, I can't. Shake it. No. Now, you may see that and wonder, like, does that mean I can't use the item? Does this mean I can't use the item? I'm worried about how many times the wolf is hitting me, and that's totally fine.
That's completely normal. This is a great strategy. Now, it is really going to help to slam a do here if you do need any extra health. And make sure that you do have the Steve Harvey shield before you enter this area. You're going to find that in the upper lower undead berg. Make sure you stop by there.
And again, don't worry about all the hits that you're taking.
You're not going to lose any health.
Try to think about the hits that you're not taking. Anyway, you want to stand pretty close to a Louis Anderson symbol of power. Make sure you no-scope him, too.
Yeah.
It's really important.
And then you've got the key to the depths, no problem.
And remind me again, Justin, where I take that key to the depths.
Just to the depths?
Yeah, sure. Anyway, that's it for our. That's the whole end of the video for our Dark Souls strategy guide. Stay tuned. We were having some trouble with the rest of the bosses, but I think with enough persistence, we're going to be able to crack this nut.
Thanks for watching IGN.
Thanks for watching IGN. We're IGN, and this is IGN.